Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Binance account full guide. Start by preparing a government ID and a clear selfie, then open the Binance app and tap Verify. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter personal details, upload documents, and complete liveness checks carefully. Keep your phone steady and ensure all text is legible, then wait for confirmation and contact support for assistance if delayed. Prepare clear documents and meet common requirements before you begin to speed verification. Use a passport, driver's license, or national ID and ensure expiration dates are visible. Capture photos in natural light, avoid glare, and keep edges within the frame so the system can read them. Match your selfie to the ID carefully, remove hats and glasses, and double-check all entered information before submission for accuracy. Quick recommendation: if you like this walkthrough, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Also, check out the product I use here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a handy companion for note-taking while studying exchanges. Look in the description for the link and other deals to save time and money. Thanks for the support, I appreciate it. Now let's get back to the video. After submission, verification typically completes within a few hours to a couple of days depending on volume. Check your email and app notifications for status updates and appeals if needed. If rejected, review the reason, correct issues, and resubmit only the affected documents to avoid confusion. Keep screenshots of submissions and correspondence for reference, limit rapid retries, and contact Binance support with clear details for assistance if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.